Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on some The Little Mermaid inspired beach waves. So if you can tell, I kind of wanted to do this video because I recently used a new eyebrow product. Just kidding. I dyed my hair. Oh, actually I'm not kidding. I did use a new eyebrow product. But anyway, I recently dyed my hair a brighter red, and I just felt so, I don't know, I felt so like the Little Mermaid, because you know my hair is red, and you know Ariel's hair is all red and stuff, so I was like, yes. Oh, anyway, you need a spray on heat protectant. Sorry, I got too into my story. Spray heat protectant all over your hair. Don't spray like too much like I did, because then later when you're straightening your hair, it's gonna be a little difficult too. And then it's gonna be all like crunchy and burn and whatever. Anyway, you're gonna want to brush out your hair or comb out your hair, spread the product, and detangle your hair, because that will make the process a lot easier. Honestly, guys, it will. Trust me. Now we're going to split our hair into sections. I'm doing 2 sections, but you can do as many as you want. And it will simplify the process of curling your hair. So clip it and split it again. So I'm going to do it in half, and then I'm going to start picking up sections of my hair with my fingers and try to get a larger section so the waves will be looser and the more relaxed. Why do I keep saying I'm sorry guys. I twirl my hair around, pull it down, kind of tugging it, sorry guys, and then twirl it back up, and then slowly letting it go. And then I'm going to continue, but remember, I'm curling away from my face, so I'm going to be doing that on the other side of my face as well. So curl away from your face. And remember, if you don't like how it comes out, just take the section that you didn't like and redo it. And it's all what you have to do. And because it is a more natural beach wave relaxed look, you're gonna do it in not a really systematic way. I'm not doing it in a systematic way at all, and I'm using different techniques. I'm not just twirling back, twirling whatever. Just go ahead and do what seems fit just for that natural way. Now you're going to want to take down your top section and split it in a very deep side split. I'm splitting it onto the right of my head, and so that means more hair is on one side than the other. And then you could define it a little better or whatnot. Just do what you need to. Now taking the straightening on, I'm going to curl away from my face on the side with less hair, but curl towards my face with the side with more hair. So it's just going in one direction all around the head. So I am actually twirling left. If you're wondering which specific direction it was, I'm twirling left. And just get like small random pieces and super curl it or whatever to get like the extra definition in your waves. Oh, by the way, I am not instructing the video. When I was recording these clips, I was actually speaking with my sister. towards the face on this side. If you need little preference. You get little sections to get it really defined, and because we're tilting towards the face on this side, it gives it a more slight vintage look, because mythical creatures are things that people from long time ago, they came up with it and they're like, oh, mermaids, yes, mermaids. So I was thinking that these beach waves should be a little more, vintage. And I'm just going to do more sections and just now I'm just going to move it around with my hands and see how I like it. Do I like it or not? Pretty much, and it seems like I do like it, but if I didn't, I would have gone in Japan and going ahead and, curling more. But anyways, you're going to want a texturizing spray. This is a Plump for Joy thickening hair plumpy thingy that I have, and I'm just going to spray it all over my hair and massage it with my hands, giving it more texture and more volume to my hair look as if I have more hair. And just run my hands in and just roughing it up for more texture. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and